Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get dreadlocks with this bad guy right here. Dreadlocks. So I'm teaching you guys how to get dreadlocks with the sponge. So I have the in black here, this one, and I have this one I've been using for so long now. I mean, yeah, I need a new one so I can really use this. That's well, I can use it, but it won't be efficient. So yeah, I need a stronger one. So yeah, but I have this, so, and I have this also. So you need the sponge. Yeah, all you just need is the sponge. You just have to keep retwisting your hair every time you wake up. Yeah, every time, because when you're trying to get waves, you have to keep brushing your hair. If you know how to get waves, you know that you have to keep brushing your hair every time. So the more longer you brush your hair, the more waves you have. So you have to keep brushing your hair every sideways. So it also, the same thing applies to the twist. So if you want to get the twist, you have to keep going like this, going. So I go yeah, clockwise with my right, and some of you guys can go anti-clockwise with your anti-clockwise with your left hand. Yeah, so but me, I go with my right hand, so I spin this way. Well, my hair, so I need to add a little bit of water, and this guy right here, I don't know if you can see that, this guy. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and add this guy mixed with water. So okay, I mean, you don't have to wash your hair every single day, because if you wash your hair, you're gonna wash out the dreads. So actually, if you're starting your dreadlocks, you're meant to wash your hair. Like for me, I wash my hair every 2 weeks, but when I wash my hair every 2 weeks, I notice my dreads like it washes away. So I need to wait for like 2 months or so, something like that. 2 months before I can wash my hair. So I'm gonna just take small of this guy. And I mean, this is actually for my mom. So this guy. And I'll go the same way I twist my dreads. It's just easy, guys. It's easy. So yeah. Wow, damn. Okay, so I'm done with this guy. So all I just need to do is to retwist my hair with this bad boy. So if you can see, Smash like if you're enjoying the video.
I'll wait. Smash like and subscribe. I'll move closer so you guys can see.
Wow. Right now it's 11:41 in the night. It's time to go and sleep, but who sleeps? Bro, it's 2020. No one sleeps in the night, bro. Whoa, wow. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my. Can you guys see? Damn. Okay, I'll go on this side also. This is how to get dreadlocks in 2020. Yeah, if you're asking for the name of the shea butter, it's called Cantu Shea Butter. Keep twisting and 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 twisting. Oh. And I don't want to get a haircut. Yeah, for now. So, and I'm waiting for my hair to grow longer and longer and longer and more and more and more before I go and get my hair cut. So yeah. Oh man, damn. Okay, I'm done with the twisting. So as you can see, the dreads, they're out like like spikes and other stuff, you know. Yeah. I'll move the camera so you guys can see. Yeah. So, yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, guys, I'm done. Yeah, like, subscribe, and share. And very soon I'll be making another video, updating my dreads. So, thank you for watching and peace. Make sure you're showing the air very well. You can make it green also.